Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Cassandra, and this is a short morning flow to help you wake up. This is very much a beginner-friendly sequence. No props are required. We're just easing into our day. So you can join me sitting up in any way that is comfortable to you, shrugging your shoulders down and away from your ears, really lengthening up through your spine. We're just going to do some little half moon circles starting with our neck. So drop one ear towards your shoulder and really drop those shoulders a little bit lower. Relax your jaw and start to trace those half circles as you bring your chin down towards your chest. And then tilting over to the opposite ear. Maybe leaning a little bit back, but not going all the way back. And just keep going from one side to the other. You might notice a little bit of tension more in one spot. We'll try to relax your facial muscles and really isolate just your neck and your head here. So you're not slouching or rounding. And we'll take one more each way. Inviting some deep belly breathing as we breathe in and out through our nose. And taking your last little half circle. And we can bring the head all the way back up and through to center. And now we'll keep the spine straight, but just trace circles with your upper body. So bringing the shoulders around and back. So really targeting this mostly through our low back and into our belly. And the sit bones will probably lift off the floor a little bit, which is perfectly fine. And you can reverse the direction of those circles and move in the other way. Just gently inviting a bit of motion. One more. And coming all the way back up through to center, let's bring our left hand over onto our right knee. Right hand back behind you, open into your twist. So hips are still facing forward, but now your chest opens up to the side. Draw the lower belly in and up. And let's release. We'll go do the same thing to the other side. Right hand to your left knee, left fingertips back behind you. Really lengthen first and try to maintain this length even as you rotate. Coming all the way back through to center. Let's release, coming into tabletop pose on hands and knees. Palms under your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Really spread your fingertips nice and wide here. Push into your knuckles and into your fingertips. Try to flatten out through your back and your spine a little bit here. Draw the shoulder blades down your back. We're going to bring our left knee in towards our belly. Think of curling and tucking in here as if you're touching your knee to your nose. And then inhale, stretch that left leg back. And you can find a little bit of an arch through your spine. Exhale, squeeze, pull it in. And inhale, find that length and lift. Keep going here. So a little bit of spinal flexion and extension, and also getting that leg involved, trying to reach long through the back of the knee. Take two more. Last one. When the leg is up, just bring your toes down to the mat, and you can push into that heel. So getting a little bit of a calf stretch, stretching through the ankle. So rocking your weight back. And we'll come into modified side plank. So all you need to do is roll to the inner edge of that left foot. Lean onto your right hand and extend your left arm up overhead. Stacking one shoulder over the other. Really stable through your right hand, your right knee, and your left foot. And let's circle, just bring that left arm up overhead, big side body stretch as you reach through those left fingertips. And continue to circle it down back into your tabletop pose. We'll do the same thing to the other side. So this time we'll bring our knee into our nose, right leg lifts. And inhale, stretch it back. Exhale, squeeze it in. A little bit of core strength required here. pointing through the toes. Getting this motion to be through your upper back, mid back, and lower back. Take 2 more. And the next time you have that leg lifted, keep it straight. Just drop the toes down to the mat and push back into your right heel. Stretching into your calves, into that right ankle. And we'll come to our modified side plank on the other side. So roll to the inner edge of your right foot. Really flatten it down. This will help with balance a lot. Lean on your left hand and extend your right arm up. Try not to waver this left shoulder back and forth. Really plug it in. Stay super strong. And think of lifting through the side of your waist. Only looking up if it's okay for your neck. If it feels like tension or pinching, you can keep your gaze down. And we're going to stretch that right arm up overhead, really lengthen as if someone was pulling on your wrist, and circle it down. From tabletop, let's lower all the way down to our belly. So lowering your push-up, coming all the way. Point through your toes, feet are hip width distance apart. We'll take 3 little baby cobras. So as you inhale, lift chin, chest, and palms off of the floor. And exhale, lower down. Keep your feet glued to the mat. Inhale, squeeze and lift. Exhale to lower. 2 more here. And lower. Last one. And down. Let's bring our hands beside the chest. Really push to reverse your push-up, pushing back onto hands and knees. And then press your hips all the way back towards your heels, coming into your child's pose. Relax your head to the floor. Take a nice big stretch here. And if it feels comfortable, you can bring your palms together, bend at your elbows, and bring your thumbs towards the back of your neck. You might be able to get a little bit of a tricep stretch from doing this. So these morning classes can help set the tone for the day ahead. It can help us set an intention. So you might choose one word as an intention of the day, something you want to focus on and think about. If you had your elbows bent, go ahead and straighten the arms. And we're going to roll, sitting up still onto our heels. Maybe bring your knees in a little bit. Just one last little chest opener. We're going to bring our fingertips back behind us. Bend into your elbows. Squeeze your elbows and your shoulder blades together. And then think of lifting your heart up towards the sky. So really broadening through the collarbones. Big breath in. And let's release. Come to take a seat in any way that is comfortable to you. Closing your eyes, hands come together at the front of the heart. If you have a one-word intention for your day, really focus on it now. And we'll close by chanting Om together 1 time. Let's inhale to chant. Breathe in deep. Thank you so much, everyone, for doing this short morning flow with me. I would love to know what your intention is. You can leave it down below in the comments. Please subscribe, and hopefully we'll meet on the mat again tomorrow morning.